How to hard reset OnePlus 10R 5G. Step 1. Firstly, use the power key to disable the OnePlus 10R. Step 2. Now push volume down plus power button, but let go of the power key when the OnePlus logo shows up. Step 3. From the appearing languages list, click on the English position and the recovery menu will be on the screen then.